What's good, everybody? I'm back again with the 2002 Buick LeSabre. This is a work in progress. The last time we posted a video on this car, it was in need of a water pump because the water pump had failed. It's seized, and I'm going to bring you in close here. You can see we have replaced the water pump. It's got a nice new gasket on it. It's got a brand new serpentine belt. I would start it up and let you guys see this, but the car is out of gas. If you look down here, I had to put some Permatex gasket forming hardener on the very top of the pump because there was an unevenness on the block, so it was seeping out. And I put that Permatex in there, and I got the car up to temp, and it pressurized the system, and it doesn't leak a single drop. But now we have another issue. You look right down here. The exhaust manifold is completely coated with oil. The valve cover gasket has failed. So I went and bought a brand new set of valve cover gaskets today at Advance Auto, and they were $21.99 for a set. It came out to $23.54 after tax, so that's not too bad. The back one is not leaking. As you can see, it's pretty dry. There's no, I'm not going to do the back one. I know it makes sense to do both, but doing the back one on the 3800 engine is a pretty in-depth job, and right now the main issue is this front. When the car runs, it smokes, and that's the potential to start the car on fire, which is not what I want to have happen. So we're gonna get in here and tear this apart and put the new valve cover gaskets on it here in the next video coming up. This video here will just be an overview of what's coming up. I have ordered a new engine cover that goes over the top where it says 3800, and we also have a new grill installed, but some of the bolts were missing. As you can see on the back side there, some of them are missing. They only included 4 screws, or 4 nuts with this, and it's got about 6 or so on it, 6 or 7, thereabouts. We've also got the brand new headlights installed. The day I bought this car, the guy I bought it from smucked a buck, and it dented the hood up pretty good, and it destroyed everything else on the front of the car, but we got her all back together. So yeah, that's what's going on, guys and gals. I just wanted to give you all an update. I know it's been quite a while since the last one, and I'm hoping here probably on my next day off to get a video of the valve cover gaskets getting changed. Okay? Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next video. Peace out, everybody. Take it easy.